President Joe Biden is outside Philadelphia for his first stop on the Help Is Here tour. His first stop, a small business in Chester, just outside Philly. This is the first leg of the president's tour, but as he and top officials fan out across the country to sell his COVID relief plan, Republicans are launching their own counter-messaging campaign. President Joe Biden traveled outside Philadelphia to visit a small business and to promote the American Rescue Plan. It's all part of a 6-state swing for the president, the vice president, and their spouses to peel back the layers of the plan for the American public. Meanwhile, the Republican National Committee is launching its own campaign to combat the Biden administration's messaging on the COVID relief bill. They say the massive plan spends too little on the pandemic.
They tried to call the bill a couple of weeks ago a COVID bill, which had 1% for vaccines and 9% for health care and a whole lot of other things.
During a House committee hearing, acting FEMA Administrator Bob Fenton contradicted assertions that migrants crossing the southern border are spreading COVID-19.
There's testing happening. What we're seeing is less than 6% positive right now coming across the border.
He also said that
FEMA is pushing to get many more Americans vaccinated as soon as possible before hurricane and wildfire seasons begin.
FEMA is working with other federal agencies and our partners to ensure that vaccinations can proceed quickly as increased supplies allow, so that everyone who wants a vaccine can get one.
Tuesday, Mississippi became the second state after Alaska to open vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and older. Today, the acting FEMA administrator also told members of Congress that his agency is hoping to launch a 1-800 number call center in April to begin reimbursing families of Americans who died of COVID-19 for funeral expenses. Look for much more on the coronavirus pandemic tonight on the CBS Evening News with Norah O'Donnell. That's at 6:30 after CBS 4 News at 6.